Hi everyone, I'm Jody.
And I'm Laura from the Customer Success team. Thank you for joining us today. This Know Before You Go webinar is designed to make sure you're fully prepared to exhibit at Premiere and to help you maximize your presence at the show. Let's start with the move-in and move-out logistics. Here's the show schedule for your reference. For move-in, ensure you have your exhibitor badge ready to enter the show. Move-out begins immediately after the show ends. Ensure all items are labeled for freight pickup. If you are going to self-unload your products, please be sure to use one of the qualified vehicles. Badges will be printed on site only. To print them, you can use the QR code sent to your email, the name used at registration, or your company name. Closed-toe and closed-heel shoes are mandatory during move-in and move-out for all show floor access, and children under 18, including infants, are not permitted on the show floor or in classrooms for liability reasons. These policies ensure we maintain a safe and professional environment for all participants. Now let's talk about preparing for convention center conditions. During moving, the convention center can feel warm due to activity and equipment. But once the show opens, the venue may feel cooler due to air conditioning and reduced movement. So here are a few tips to stay comfortable. First, dress in layers. This will help you adjust easily to changing temperatures throughout the day. Second, bring a light jacket or sweater for those cooler areas. And finally, don't forget to stay hydrated and take breaks when you need them.
The Exhibitor Service Desk is here to support you through the event, whether it's help with your booth setup, ordering additional services like furniture, electricity, internet, or resolving logistical concerns. The Service Desk is ready to assist. And we, as your customer success specialists, will also be on site to connect you with the right department and assist you with anything you may need. So don't forget to save your CS specialist number in case you need anything. Lead retrieval is a simple and effective way to capture attendee information during the show and maximize your engagement. You can order it through your badge registration portal. Let's go over the checklist to make sure you're fully prepared for the event. First, confirm that all of the required services like furniture, utilities, internet, and other essentials have been ordered and finalized. This ensures your booth is fully equipped and ready to go. Next, make sure your exhibitor online profile has been updated. This is a great way to showcase your company and make it easier for attendees to find you. Verify that all booth staff are registered. Having everyone properly registered avoids any last-minute issues during the event. Double check that all booth items have been shipped and delivered to the convention center on time. This is critical to avoid delays during setup. Take a moment to go over the schedule and key times, including move-in, show hours, and move-out. This will help you plan your time effectively and ensure everything runs smoothly. Finally, familiarize yourself with the convention center layout. Knowing where everything is will save you time and make navigating the venue much easier. By following this checklist, you'll be well prepared and ready to make the most of your experience at the show. We're so excited about what we're creating together at Premiere, and we're committed to making sure you have everything you need for a successful show.
Thank you for your time, and we can't wait to see you soon.